How to tag everyone in a Facebook group. So first and foremost, make sure that you are the admin of the page and just go ahead and write something by creating a post right here. For an example, I'll be writing dog meet happening tomorrow and with a lot of emojis right here. As you can see, you can create something like this. Now to tag someone, all you have to do is tap on the @sign, and as you can see, it does not display everyone for me because this is a new page and I don't have that much of a follower and following, but you will be easily able to tag everyone by just tapping on here. Next trick is by posting it by just tapping on next and post right here. Now you can see it is posted and all you have to do is tap on comment, and in the comment section go ahead and write here and you will be able to tag everyone right here as well. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for watching.